Hi friends, welcome back. We are going to fold a red circle like this, make multiple folds, and then we are going to open it like this. Now paste double-sided tape on it and paste more circles like this, one after another. Now make cut and look how beautiful this structure is looking. Put a leaf and stick inside and look, your apples are ready. We are going to make these pineapples using fruit foam net. Cut yellow fruit foam net, roll it. Now we are going to open it and make an oval shape. Now make the crown of the pineapple, paste all of them together and look how beautiful these pineapples are looking. In this video, we are going to make these beautiful red strawberries. Cut a red fruit foam net, roll it, tie it using thread. Now open it and look, your fruit is ready. Now we are going to paste the leaves and paste its sticks and look how pretty these strawberries are looking. Let's make these cone using yellow and white fruit foam net. Cut the yellow fruit foam net like this, make multiple cuts like this, and then we are going to roll it and paste it on the white foam. We are making seeds like this. Cut it and look how pretty these cones are looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.